Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Amir. In this video today I want to talk to you about how to apply Rogaine. And this is a video I've done in the past and it was really out of focus. So I want to create a little updated version as well as give you some tips, tricks, and all the things that you need to know so that you're applying Rogaine or your Minoxidil and you're getting the best results possible. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. So if you don't know what Rogaine is, it is a topical solution that you put on your head if you have hair loss and you want to have some hair growth in that area. So the way you know where to apply it is very simple. Pull out your smartphone, go on your camera, go on selfie mode, go up right here, take a picture real quick. I used to have really bad balding, but after using it, it got a lot better. So I know that there's still some thinning areas over here, so I want to make sure it's maintained and it doesn't get any worse than that. Some of you guys, you may be balding over here and you may have like a receding hairline from the side. You know, Rogaine is intended mainly for the crown, but I still do recommend applying it literally all over your head because it really actually does help prevent balding so your balding doesn't progress further. Now that you've identified your specific balding area, it is recommended that you start on a clean slate, meaning that your head is fully washed and it's clean. You could use the regular liquid Minoxidil, but I would never use that. I will always go back to using the foam. The foam is something that is so convenient. It's much more clean to use it. It's less messy. The regular Minoxidil, sure, it's a little cheaper because it's just a liquid. Problem with that is that it causes a lot of irritation and itchiness in your scalp and it gets really messy. So this is really easy because it's just a foam. So you can get it in the Kirkland brand or the Rogaine brand. I prefer the Rogaine brand myself. Behind this bottle, it says that you're supposed to use this cup to measure it. I personally don't like to measure it like that. I just measure it based on how much I need. First thing you want to do is open it up. So you want to shake it up so you're not just getting the foam. You want to get the Minoxidil in the foam as well, and all the goodies are well shaken up. Next thing I'm gonna take about this much right here. This is more than enough. So all I'm gonna do is simply put it in that area where we spotted it in the picture. So that's it, like that. And this is phase one of the process. So I'm just gonna simply work it in there, massage that area, especially get that blood circulation flowing in there so you're able to not only promote hair growth through the liquid but also through this natural movement of circulating blood back there. So I really like to just get up all in there and make sure it's in that area. If you want, you can have a second mirror that you're pointing back here. So let's say for example there's like a mirror in front of you, you can get another mirror old school style and then make sure you're hitting the right area. I've just done it so many times that I just know where my exact balding spot is, but I can understand it could get tricky if you're just starting out. So maybe have a second mirror so you know the exact spot that you're hitting. The next thing I'm gonna do is comb my hair down like this. Now that I have my hair down, I'm gonna apply Minoxidil in the existing hair that I have so that it doesn't bald any further. So in this one, I don't even take any measurements. I simply put the Minoxidil like this, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, maybe a 4 line right here. That's it. And now I just simply work that in my hair as well. So this will make sure that I don't bald any further in the future. And again, as I said, now we're just gonna work it in here. Just really get our blood stimulating and circulating in here. As you can see guys, it also gives you great volume in your hair. So this is literally a good hair product if you're looking to style your hair as well. And yeah, that's literally it. In the morning, it's like a 30-second process for me because I've done it so many times. This is optional, but after I let it dry for about 30 seconds, I put my own hair product in there, which helps my hair not only style, but it also contains organic extracts like lemon peel extracts, burdock root, malliflower, castor oil, all these amazing ingredients, which helps your hair soothe, replenish, and regrow itself as well. So this is just an additional bonus that I put in my hair because, you know, who doesn't like styling their hair and who doesn't like the added benefits of more hair nourishment and hair growth. I just take about a dime size, like about this much, and just work it in my hair like this, and again work it in with the product. So you are free to style your hair, put whatever you want after you apply your Rogaine. Make sure you apply your Minoxidil first before you add any additional products to layer with it. Let's comb my hair. So as you guys can see, this is the final and finished product after applying Minoxidil and after applying the hair product. That's literally what my daily hair growth and hairstyling looks like. It's just a combination with Rogaine and the hair product that I use to style my hair afterwards. And no, you don't need to wash Rogaine off like 15-20 minutes after, or no, you don't need to always start with a clean slate. As long as you are doing it every single day and you're staying consistent with it, that's what matters. You don't even need to apply it twice a day. Because of the half-life, you can apply it once a day, get away with it, still get amazing results. So I just want to clear up a lot of overthinking, a lot of misconceptions, and a lot of false things that you guys may be believing. How hard is it to use Rogaine? It's a very, very simple thing. It's really up to you on how much, how little, or how you want to go about it. This is how I do it. It's completely up to you and your own hair needs. For me, I've been doing this for the past 2.5, almost 3 years now, and I've had terrific results. Just doing it once a day consistently. I used to do it twice a day, but I was like, you know, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Who wants to like go out of their way for their hair? I'm gonna do it at the end of the day too. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful and you guys enjoyed it, and it cleared up some questions that you've had about applying Minoxidil. So let me know if you have any further questions about the technicalities, what, when, how, any of that stuff in the comment section below. Other than that, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell. See you guys in the next one. Peace.